Hello, friends. A warm welcome from Aussie's group. My name is Malcolm and I'm your PTE coach. Friends, I'm very happy today that I have Mr. Ravi Hirani with me. Ravi, who is from Ahmedabad in Gujarat, India, recently took the PTE academic test. His requirement was a score of 6.5 each equivalent or a score of 58 each in all the four modules in PTE. And a 58 plus score would get him a visa or a study visa for a postgraduate discipline. And he has got a fantastic score of 68 overall. He had his test on the 29th of October, in which he got an overall score of 68 out of 90, which is a band 7 score. In speaking, he has got a score of 78 out of 90, which is again a very high score. In writing, he has got a score of 65. In listening, he has got a score of 63. And lastly, in reading, he has got a score of 69, which is again a band 7 score. So firstly, many congratulations to you, Ravi. We are really happy that you've got a fantastic score. So many congratulations. Sir, if you could just give an introduction of yourself to the viewers, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you very much for explaining the my overall score and
Yes, sir.
in each section. So I want to tell you that this was my second attempt. My first attempt was on the 9th October, in which I got
sir.
overall score of 55.
Right.
Then I came to know about PTE tutorials, and in the Telegram group, I got the many updates and the many templates posted by your experts. So I
Yes,
follow
sir.
those templates.
Mainly, I would like to ask you a very honest question. You're from Gujarat, even I am from Gujarat. Both
Yes,
of us are Gujaratis.
yes,
Sir, it's a very big thing in Gujarat. You know, when people say that I've got a good score in a test of English, people get surprised. And many
yeah,
people think that it's very difficult to, ace tests of English. Now, you've got a fantastic score of 78, which is a very high score in speaking. That's a very good score. So,
Mhm.
what do you think, sir? Is it difficult to get a high score, or you just need to know the correct way of speaking? What is more important?
No, sir. As per my experience, I can say that the correct way is more important because
Right.
PT is a different kind of exam. It's a yeah. It happens that we can daily communicate in English, but it
Right.
doesn't mean that we can get a good score in PT exam.
True.
Yeah,
Very true.
because it's a machine. After all, machine system will evaluate us.
Correct.
So we need to speak in a way that the system can understand.
That's true.
So yeah, so oral fluency is very important when we making conversation with a human.
Right.
So yeah, so front person can understand us by our gesture and our expression.
True.
But when we speak in a computer,
Machine,
then
yeah.
yeah, then we need to speak in a specific way.
And sir, how did you come to know about our PTE Tutorials Telegram group, if you could share?
Yes, sir. Actually, I bought a PT voucher from the ptvoucher.in website.
Yes,
So
sir.
so I got an email that you have eligible for particular test and all this stuff. So I got the credentials of the PT tutorial applications, and so I download in my Android mobile,
Right, sir.
and
Right.
in that application I've seen the Telegram group symbol.
Right,
So
sir.
yeah, so I always practice in my laptop, but when I see that symbol, I was curious of how it works. So I just click on it and download the Telegram, and I must say, sir, uh, so my overall improvement is totally dedicated to this group.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your honest answer. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We really
Yeah,
appreciate that, sir.
yeah, because without it, I never get such improvement.
And last but not the least, sir, I would just like to end with one more question. Would you like to recommend PT tutorials to the thousands of viewers who will see this video?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I'm 100% recommending, and I'm must say if some person is very confident, then also he must visit this group and the must follow some of the instruction given by the expert, because it's a it's not important that you are an expert or everything, but we always make some kind of small mistakes. So if
Right, sir.
after reading some of the experts instruction, if we correct it, then it will help us a lot.
Right. Thank you so much, Ravi. And we really appreciate your time, sir. Thank you so much from a busy schedule. You took out time for us for a small video testimonial. And we really congratulate you once again for the score. And we really wish that soon you're in Australia as well.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ravi. So friends, as Ravi did it, he's from Gujarat. Still, he got a fantastic score. He got a band 7 overall score of 68 out of 90. And in speaking, he's got 78, which is again a fantastic score. So if Ravi can do it with a smart work, with a smart analytical skills, definitely he can also do it. And as he correctly pointed out, it's just a way of smart working or outsmarting the system. You don't have to work very hard, but you have to work smartly. And if you understand how the software, gauges your speech and your writing, it's easy to get your required score effortlessly. So lastly, once again, many congratulations, Ravi. And friends, whatever your target score is, there is only one name to achieve it, and that's PTE Tutorials. Think PTE, think PTE Tutorials. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and thank you for joining us in the video. Thank you.